G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video I'm changing the standard bash plate for this aftermarket aluminium bash plate. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, why am I changing it? This plastic one here has lots of flex in it, and I'm just hoping that this one here will give much better protection for the bike. So the first thing to do is remove the old bash plate, the standard one. Okay, now I have the standard bash plate removed. It's time to unwrap the new one and make sure it actually fits. This one's held up not too bad, only got one split in it really. That's what you expect from plastic, so hopefully the alloy one will do a much better job. So let's have a look at this. I'd call that ricochet. Yeah, ricochet. Anyway, made in America. Let's have a look at it. I actually got this online from the mxstore.com. Fitting kit is here. It's got a sticker and a little instruction plate. It does say RMX450Z, which is what this bike is, but it says 2010 to 2011. This bike's a 2015, so hopefully it fits. Knowing Suzuki, though, it should fit. They don't change too much, Suzuki's. This is probably the same bike since 1975, so should be alright. Okay, this has a mounting bracket which goes on here, like so. So first thing to do is mount the mounting bracket. Now that the mounting bracket is in place, it's time to install this bash plate. Just has a couple of torque screws and one bolt that goes into the original one at the back there, so we'll see how it goes. Well, it fits in place, but I've noticed straight away this section here doesn't go up over the water pump. I'm pretty sure the standard one went up a little further than this. We'll just have a look. Well, the bracket's sort of in the way, but maybe not. Maybe just that little piece there. Maybe okay. Okay, with this in place, it's still loose. They've decided to use these Torx type bolts on this bike here, but I might replace them a little bit later with hex head bolts or something like that, because when you're out in the bush, if this comes loose, it's very unlikely you're going to carry some Torx pieces with you, so I'll probably just replace them with hex. It's more likely you just have a shifter or an adjustable wrench or something that will you can do a quick bush fix on, so I might replace those later, but for now we'll stick with these. Okay, I've got the bash plate, skid plate installed now. Yeah, it fits quite good. It does fit the 2015, no problems. These things here, I was hoping they would be a little bit bigger just to come over past this water pump area a little bit more, but it does seem to sit a little bit further away from the chassis than the original one did. It was really snug right up close to the chassis, so hopefully that little bit of extra distance is just enough to give this a little bit more protection, so it doesn't actually come up as close. It's sort of a little further away, and that's what I'm hoping anyway. So yeah, there it is, installed. On this side of the bike, this here protrudes a little further than the plastic one did for the factory one, so this side here seems to be a little bit better than the other side. The other side I was hoping it would be a little bit closer to that water pump area. So there you have it, a new bash plate installed on the RMX450Z. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.